Hi, James. What are you doing? What are you doing, baby?
Hey.
Huh?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, it's supposed to be there. Okay, you want to put them back? Yes, thank you. Oh, there's a lot on the floor. Oh, what are we gonna do with it now? Huh? Yeah, we put it back. Okay, there's more. You see there's more? Yeah? Thank you. Okay, there's more on the floor, love. Look. Look. Oh my, I see the bug there. There's more on the floor, look. Thank you. Good job. You're closing already? Yeah? Be careful. Here, there's more on the floor, look. Okay, I help you, okay? Look, Mama help you. And put it back. Okay? I help you. I just put it in. Stop taking it out. Okay, put it back, please. Thank you. Thank you. Oh. The orange wawa. There's more. Get the bag behind you. Look. There's the bag behind you. Put it back, please. Yeah. Put it back here. Put it back here. Here. Thank you. Good job. Yes, thank you. One more here. Pick up the orange. Look, orange here. I just throw it on the floor. Pick it up. Put it back. Dirty, and it's okay. Leave it. There. Good job. Give me high five. Yay. You wanna say hi, Mama? Say hi, Mama. Wanna say hi? Say hi, Mama. Okay, say hi to Mama. Say hi. How about you give me a kiss? Can you give me a kiss? Mm. Mm. Again? Again?